Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So, trend is up. There's no two ways about that. I really do not understand how people say that this is going to fall to the floor. A 2-year-old can see that that is moving in an upward direction. So we are in an uptrend. 8 hours in an uptrend. Daily has got a crossover now, potentially a pullback onto support for a continuation to the upside. This is the zone that we need to pay attention to. That is our big double bottom. I'll take this on the weekly, and you can see we've got a weekly close above here. We've got weekly oscillators pointing very strongly to the upside. We've got a nice big juicy gap just above us here, up there. So there's no two ways about this. We hold this level here on the weekly, which is 4,200. We have a decent attempt at 43 coming, and then breaking above 4,300 is when it starts getting interesting. But for now, we are in an uptrend. We are a little bit tired. We're oversold, overbought, and we do have some diversions. So that is indicating you should be looking for some kind of a pullback onto structure. Now, if we get down to the 3-hour, where is the closest bit of structure? And it is right here. That's it. There's nothing there on the 3-hour. This has been tested. You can see this 4,200 was tested as suggested last week. So if anybody got in long there, good idea would be just move your stop up underneath some structure, and we'll look for structure for that for you on the hour. So this swing low here would be the area to move it up to, or alternatively you could just move it up sort of a little bit below this area here. That was a strong close that we had, and looking at the oscillators at the moment, we've grouped to the upside. You'd expect some kind of a pullback on structure. Again, there are only two areas here that we need to pay attention to. First one is here, which is 42.60, and then we have 42.36. Those are the two areas to pay attention to. I suspect there are a few gaps here. Let's see if we can pick some up. Oh, there's one right there. There's another one there, and there's another one down there. So being that gappy, you have quite a bit going on at the moment. So this is the first area I'd be paying attention to. That's 42.60. That gives way. Then you're definitely looking for a move down to 42.36, 42.30, and this gap here. If it pulls back into this area, a relatively decent area to get long, because your stop is going to be fairly close. The stop is going to be 160 points away. Pick up these swing lows here. That is the one scenario. The other scenario is pretty much the same as it is on all the indexes at the moment, is a break and retest of 42.82. You are then looking for 4,300. Just be careful at 4,300. There's quite a bit if you look on the daily. You can see there's 43 there. Just put that in. There's 43, and look at all the rejection here at 43. So that is your short-term target at the moment, most definitely. You're looking for 4,300. And there's 4,300. That's why I break and retest here. You got a tight stop loss, and then you're looking for price to get here. I expect a bit of a rejection of 4,300. Probably a pullback, hopefully a deeper pullback, which will get you another opportunity in. So at least a pullback back to 42.82. Alternatively this morning is pay attention to this area here. So you're looking for price action of 42.60, and you're looking for a continuation to the upside. So for now, trend is up. There's no two ways about that. There's no reason to be shorting. If you're shorting, you are trying to second guess the top, or alternatively, you are listening to too much noise out there, which is designed to make you lose. Anyway, that's kind of my view this morning. Looking for opportunities to buy, pay attention to that structure, and you should be profitable. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.